Hi, welcome to today's training session. In this video, we'll be walking through how to use FileZilla, a powerful and free FTP client, to upload and download files between your computer and a remote server. Whether you're managing a website, backing up files, or collaborating on projects, FileZilla can help streamline your file transfers. Let's dive right in. First, let's quickly cover what FileZilla is. FileZilla is a popular open-source FTP client that lets you securely transfer files between your computer and a server. It supports FTP, FTPS, and SFTP protocols, which are all secure methods to send your files safely. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, so you can use it regardless of your operating system. To start, let's download and install FileZilla. Head over to the official website at FileZilla-project.org. You'll see a prominent Download FileZilla button. Choose the version that's right for your operating system. Most users will want the FileZilla client. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the prompts to install. Now that you've installed FileZilla, let's open it up and look at the main interface. Here's what you'll see. The top toolbar contains essential tools like connecting to a server and managing files. The host field is where you'll enter your server's IP address or domain name. Then you have the username and password fields, where you'll need to enter your credentials. The remote site panel shows the files on the remote server, while the local site panel shows the files on your computer. Finally, the queue is where all files you've queued up for transfer will appear. The most important thing to know here is the difference between the local site, which is your computer, and the remote site, which is the server. We'll be transferring files between these two locations. To connect to a server, you'll need three things: the server address, your username, and your password. Let's look at how to enter these. In the host field, type in the server's IP address or domain name. In the username and password fields, enter the login credentials you've been given. Make sure your connection is set to FTP, FTPS, or SFTP, depending on the protocol your server uses. Now click Quick Connect, and FileZilla will connect to your server. If the connection is successful, you'll see the files from the server appear in the remote site panel. Now let's look at how to transfer files. The process is simple. Just find the file or folder you want to transfer in the local site section and drag it to the remote site, or you can right-click and choose Upload. To download files from the server to your computer, just reverse the process. Find the file in the remote site, drag it to the local site, or right-click and choose Download. If you're transferring multiple files at once, you'll see them appear in the queue at the bottom. FileZilla will automatically transfer them one by one in the order they appear. If you need to pause or cancel a transfer, just right-click on the item in the queue. Here are a few tips to make the most out of FileZilla. Use SFTP when possible, as it's the most secure protocol. Check your transfer speeds. If your files are large, it may take some time to upload or download. FileZilla allows you to see the transfer progress in real time. Also, keep your login credentials secure. Never share your FTP credentials with anyone who doesn't need access. And finally, use bookmarks. If you frequently connect to the same server, FileZilla allows you to save your server details for easy access. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to install, connect, and transfer files using FileZilla. Remember, whether you're managing website files, handling backups, or sharing large documents with your team, FileZilla is a powerful tool to make your file transfers fast and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy file transferring. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.